This is our new Prusa i3 MK3S 3D printer. We received it last week. It took about 8 hours to put together. Didn't go that bad actually. I thought it was pretty fun and it was nice to learn everything there is about the printer. So I suggest the kit. It comes with a good assembly instructions and a handbook. The assembly instructions are like 137 or 138 pages. We also built this enclosure, so it's just over 2 feet high, about 2 feet wide. So recess the doors on it so the sides will open up if we need to work on it. Recess the plexiglass here on the sides. The top opens. Have 24 volt LED lights wired into the power supply. 1/4 inch plexiglass door. You can see I have a 6-wire quick connect. I got that off of Amazon a while back. Works out great. That way your panic power cable can go there as well. So far everything's been great with this. No issues. Let's see, so the other side we've got, this is hinged as well. Little power button here for the lights up on the top. And we mounted the power supply on the back of the enclosure. So everything works out great. The enclosure is amazing so far. The like you say, maintains a pretty decent temperature. I think we're at 88 degrees, and the humidity seems to go down quite a bit as it's printing. It quiets and dampens the noise. We do have the silicone packs here to help out with the humidity. Noise is pretty good. Still want to put the paver and the foam inside. I do have some foam sheets inside here. The whole back is foamed to absorb a little bit of that sound. But that's our Prusa 3D printer. Love it, and looking forward to more videos.